Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to download AutoCAD. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So first on your web browser go to autodesk.com and here select shop all products and on the left side menu click on architecture and here select AutoCAD. So here click on download free trial. And here select your purpose to download AutoCAD. I'm going to select business and I'm just simply click on next. So here, if you are using a Mac, you need to click here, but we are going to download for Windows, so it will stay as it is. So let's click on next. So here, if you have an Autodesk account, you just sign in from here, but if you don't, you need to create an account. To do that, simply click on here and write down your first name and your last name and your email and password. So I'm going to skip that part. So here you need to verify your phone number either by text or a call. So I'm going to select text and I'm going to type down my phone number here and let's simply click on send verification code and type down your verification code here and simply click on verify. So here you need to select why you want to download AutoCAD, so you can select anything. Let's select something random and simply click on next. So you need to write down a company name, but it's not mandatory, so you can write down basically anything. Really, it doesn't matter. So I just simply click on next, simply click on download. So our download has started, and after it's finished, you need to click on this file and set up to your computer. And that's basically how to download AutoCAD for your PC. So if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.